You wouldn't really think about us on a daily basis if you're posting your cat video or a picture of your baby, but we're absolutely fundamental to everything that takes place in the greater Facebook world.
So FACOps stands for Facilities Operations. So effectively that's the team that takes care of everything to do with facilities at our data center sites.
Facebook doesn't run unless the entire infra data center team, from the folks that select the sites, to build the sites, to operate the sites, if that process doesn't work, Facebook doesn't run.
We have data center facilities right across the globe, in Europe, across the US, in Sweden, and in Ireland, and also in Singapore.
This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes. This is where everything's stored. Our role is to keep the data centers running at peak standards.
We control the environment, the power, the cooling, the water, everything required to keep the servers and Facebook alive.
You know, the key challenge in this whole effort is to find the right people. So if you look at the cross-section of our infra data center teams, our FACOps teams, you'll find a broad spectrum of folks.
A lot of people think that if you want to come work for FACOps that you've got to have previous data center experience. And I'm a perfect example of somebody who did not.
The culture here is very open, accepting, and very diverse. You don't necessarily need to be a software engineer or have background in IT or even hardware engineering. As long as your experience can be applied to this new position, Facebook will consider you.
We need electricians, we need mechanics, we need program managers, we need people that can demonstrate positive contributions here, having come from other organizations.
And then when people come and join our teams, we dedicate a lot of effort to ensure that in those first days, weeks, and months, they are quickly tied in with the team. They get a thorough understanding of our business and are quickly able to make an impact.
One thing we don't do is handcuff you. So if you want to be a subject matter expert, we'll try to make sure that we carve that path for you. Everything we can do to support that, we'll do it.
It's really wide open as far as what roles that you can really get into. It's about finding the things that you love doing and that you think you can do well at, and the opportunities are endless.
There's great support from your teammates here, from those that are out in the various data centers. Everybody wants you to succeed, and they want to pull that kernel of knowledge, wisdom, insight, curiosity that you have to make Facebook a better place.
Each day is unique. There's always new and challenging experiences. It's working with all the talented people, I think, that makes it so rewarding.
If you're interested, go check out our careers website, because connecting communities, connecting people across the world with common interests is something that you really want to get involved with.
We actually want to know what is it that drives you and motivates you.